In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your website to your company info in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. This small update makes a big difference. Your website can appear on customer-facing documents, like invoices and estimates, and it keeps your business profile consistent across QuickBooks. Before we start, make sure you're on the QuickBooks Online home dashboard and that you have permission to edit company settings, which is typically available to admins. From the home dashboard, look to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your main settings hub. It's where you control account preferences, company details, and more. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Account and Settings. If you don't immediately see it, you might be in a different view. Just stay in the Gear menu and look for Account and Settings within the Your Company area. You'll land on the Company tab by default. If not, click Company on the left side. Here you'll find the Company Info section, which includes your legal name, contact details, and website. To update the website field, click Edit next to Website. That will open a small panel where you can type in your web address. Enter your website URL carefully. Using the full address with HTTPS helps ensure links work correctly, and it's best to use your primary domain. Avoid test or staging links. Watch out for typos or extra spaces, and keep it clean and professional. If your business hosts multiple sites, choose the one you want customers to see on your forms and profiles. You can always come back and change it later. Once your website is entered, click Save to update your company info. QuickBooks will store the change immediately. To wrap up and return to your dashboard, click Done to exit the settings window. That's it. Your website is now part of your official company information in QuickBooks Online. A quick recap. Open the gear icon. Go to Account and Settings under your company. Make sure you're on the Company tab. Find Company Info. Click Edit next to Website. Enter your URL. Then click Save and Done. If you don't see the update reflected right away on Forms, give it a moment or refresh your browser. Interface labels can vary slightly over time, but the path through the gear icon and Account and Settings remains the same. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.